If you want to achieve real success and not live like everyone else, you need to make sacrifices others aren't willing to make. The author shares 7 critical things to avoid to become wealthy and successful. 7 things to avoid if you want to become wealthy. Working only for money. Choose jobs that build valuable skills and offer growth potential, path B, not just high initial pay, path A. Focus on building skills and equity, not just collecting paychecks. Buying a luxury lifestyle too early. Many people fake wealth through debt and expensive habits. Delay luxury and invest in assets like stocks, real estate, etc. that grow your wealth first. Doing everything yourself. Success comes from collaboration and teamwork, not isolation. Help others like older business owners with your digital skills to create value and earn income. Having too many inputs. Too much advice creates mental overload. Focus only on inputs that align with your long-term goal. Quality is greater than quantity when it comes to opinions. Being ego-driven. Arrogance stops learning and growth. Stay humble and open to learning from others. Recognize that what you know is just the tip of the iceberg. Blaming others. Stop using the magnifying glass, blaming others. Use the mirror. Take responsibility. Accountability leads to progress and self-growth. Staying in your comfort zone. Your comfort zone is like a prison. Growth happens when you step outside of it and take risks. Try new things, fail, learn, and expand your limits. Target final takeaway. To build true, lasting wealth and success, focus on skills and ownership. Live below your means early on. Collaborate with others. Limit distractions and stay focused. Keep learning. Take responsibility. Embrace discomfort and growth.